Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save battery on Samsung M35 device. Well, by conserving battery power, users can prolong the time they can use their devices without needing to recharge. This is especially important when users are on the go or in situations when charging may not be readily available. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin optimizing your device battery, start by enabling adaptive brightness and dark mode. Okay, access the settings menu on your device. So, navigate to the display option. And within this section, you can enable both adaptive brightness and dark mode to enhance your viewing experience. Well, moving on to the second step, activate power saving mode to conserve battery life. Return to the previous page and scroll, then select the battery option. So here, enable the power saving mode to extend the usage time of your device effectively. And then, as for the next step, it is advisable to disable active features that are not currently in use on your device. Okay, turn off functionalities like Bluetooth, hotspot, location services, and any other features that are not actively being utilized. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save battery on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.